Welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today, as you can see, I have a little helper here named Alex. So Alex, to be sincere, he's a great cook. He's a great sous chef. And usually he helps me baking and pushing all the bottoms, isn't it? Uh-huh. Today, what are we going to prepare together?
Santa Claus's muffin?
Santa Claus muffins. We're going to prepare chocolate, white beans muffins.
Chocolate.
Yes, chocolate. Do you prefer chocolate or white beans? Chocolate. White beans are perfect for baking because first of all, you're going to give extra proteins to your recipe, and then they are so delicate and creamy in taste that you will not taste them. What are those?
White beans.
White beans. We're going to place the white beans inside our food processor. Very strong. By the way, did we wash our hands?
Yes.
Yes, always wash hands. Okay, and always, okay, so that's easy. Okay, now we are going to pulse our white beans for, I would say, yes, I can cover your hair. I would say for a few seconds. Okay, wait, okay. White beans added. Now we're going to add the other ingredients, starting from the eggs. Okay, and he's becoming very good at breaking eggs. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Oh, don't worry. Oh, that's fine. Yes, we got it. Let me check. Yes, we got it. Okay, next one. Okay. So we have 3 eggs inside. Yes, perfect. Now we're going to add the coconut oil. Good job, Alex. Okay. Next comes coconut sugar, but you can use any kind of sugar that you like, no problem. Next comes flour, regular flour. Okay. Don't worry, it's fine, Alex. Then we are going to add some almond meal. You're doing great, Alex. Yes. What's next? Cocoa. Unsweetened cocoa powder. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. And also we're going to add half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon, only half, Alex, of baking soda. That's perfect. Splash of vanilla. Splash. A splash is, okay. This is a splash. Okay, it's 1 teaspoon. Okay, now we're going to close everything. Okay.
Can you close it properly?
Do you need help to close it properly? Yes, I can help you. And now you press close. And a nice mixer is going to be formed.
Wait.
What do you think? It's enough? Let's check. Oh, ooh, nice and creamy. Okay. So at this point, what do you think we're going to do? We're going to transfer the mix into the muffin tin and we're going to bake it, okay? Okay, do you want mommy to help for this one?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to...
I use this? Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. Yes, and we also need to add the chocolate chips cookies. Sorry.
We forgot it.
No, and we also need to add the chocolate chips. No, we didn't forget. If we add them now to the food processor, they will break. So we don't want them to break. Okay, as we are going to transfer directly from the food processor to the cake mix, we're going just to fill half. Then we're going to put some chocolate chips in the middle. This is half, okay, only half. And then we're going to put some chocolate chip in the middle, and then we're going to top it with another teaspoon. And when cooking with kids, things might not be perfect, as you can see, but it's fine, don't worry. Because they are learning to have fun with food and appreciate food.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Alex now is helping me placing some chocolate chips in half of the batter. Then we are going to top the chocolate chips with another teaspoon or two of batter, and then our white beans chocolate muffins will be ready to be inserted. Can you
Not all?
Can you eat that? Not all? Yes, one. I think one is enough. Okay. Yes, because you already had some before. There was not one. Okay, let me see how many. Okay, you can be a bit more generous with those ones. Also, you can use any kind of shape for the muffins because as the holidays are coming, you can use more festive shapes like trees or star. It's totally up to you. Our chocolate white beans muffins are in the oven, preheated for 20 minutes. They might not be perfect, but they were really made with love. So I really hope you will enjoy this recipe. It's a super kid-friendly one. Did you like it last time?
Yes.
I know. Remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa if you want to receive every single week a new recipe from us. And if you're looking for similar recipes or for the ingredients list, check the links in the area here below. And we're going to wish you, your kids, and your family a fabulous Merry Christmas.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas! What do you say? How do you say in Italian?
Buon Natale.
Buon Natale! Ciao, ciao, ciao!
Bye.